I'm Camelia Terrell. I'm a master cosmetologist and the owner of Envision Salon Spa and Hair and Nails, and today I'm going to walk you through a few curly hair tutorials. To create a curl using the hot stick curler, take a slight 1-inch to 2-inch parting, make a small section, lightly mist the hair strand. I lightly mist with a light hairspray as well as a shine. Use my hot stick curler iron, holding that hair at a 90-degree angle. I'm going all the way down to the base of the scalp. And here I'm actually holding the hair on the wand for a good 10 seconds. Twisting out. And get a nice curl.